good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 22K, up 1.7 on the day. Seeing market cap down 1.7. Seeing market cap up 426 billion. 24-hour volume 25.22 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit or Bybit, sign up, grab those bonuses. I mostly trade here on Bitkit. Currently, we're in 3 trades. Check out my full-length tutorial. Sign up to either exchange, email me, or sign up via mail. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies completely for free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. So let's hop into Bitcoin. So we got rejected in our wave 4 pullback zone. Looks like our wave 5 is playing out as we've been predicting on the channel. Beautifully, Bitcoin has been following our predictions over the course of the last month or so, as we were bearish from 25K. So we love to see it. So we're looking for that wave 5. Now it could end at any time. We have bullish divergences on the hourly RSI as well as the money flow. If we were to bounce from this low, then your wave 4 pullback zone will be in between 22.3 and 22.9. But there is a good chance we come down to that wave 5 target at 21.5 as it lines up with the support level of this head and shoulders, which I think is likely to play out. We could come down to 21.5, bounce, create that right shoulder. The bulls get really excited, thinking we're going to go to 30K. We roll over and we come all the way down to 19K. Very probable, in my opinion. If you're looking at this as 5 waves up, then what you've done is you come down in a wave A, you pull back in a B, you're going to come down in a wave C. In my opinion, that's what I think is likely. We've been short on Bitcoin since 24.5K. We'll look to lock in more gains when we reach 21.5 if we do come down to that level. Otherwise, I'll just let it bounce and see the continuation to the downside as we've already locked in some juicy gains. Move the stop loss to take profit on those trades. Looking at the DXY, we didn't quite come down to our 103 target, but as you can see, as we've been predicting on the channel, we are starting to push up towards 106. Now there is a bearish divergence on the daily as well as the 4 hours overbought. So if the DXY were to roll over and see a larger correction, that's when you see Bitcoin start to put in that wave 4. But we definitely could see one more lower low to about 21.5 in my opinion. The Dow Jones, we talked about bouncing off this support. I said, look guys, if we bounce off this support in previous videos, look for a rejection from the daily EMAs as we had printed the bearish cross, and that is exactly what we have seen. So if we do start to break down, my bias is still towards the downside for the Dow Jones. I will be negative, very negative for BTC. You may see one more bounce where we bounce up once again, we get rejected, we see continuation to the downside. But if we break down from here, then you come down, you retest, you see continuation down to 30K, which will be very negative for the crypto market. So beautiful to see it playing out as we've been predicting. That's always nice as a crypto analyst. So what we're looking for is that wave 4 pullback. As I mentioned, we could see one more lower low to 21.5 to test that support, maybe break a little bit lower, grab the liquidity, bounce, put in that right shoulder. The bulls get excited thinking we're going to go to 30K. And the bears suck them dry and we roll over and we come back down, in my opinion. We'll have to see how it plays out. These bearish divergences still have room to come down to oversold. So make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals. We've been short Ethereum and Bitcoin basically from the top, and we're in one more trade as well. Early access to my analysis, which can be helpful on your trading journey in the days that I don't post videos. Crypto news, member profits, Mahado all plays, all coming in at $10 per month. You really can't beat it. Same price as a Netflix subscription. Big Mac meal with fries and a drink, which you shouldn't be consuming as it's bad for your health. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.